welcome back to the kernel. Today we are doing an easy pretzel method slipknot. Slipknot is the foundation for any crochet project, so we'll go ahead and get started with that tutorial. I like to take my ball of yarn and start with my yarn in a straight line and hold the end of it down with my pointer finger so it doesn't slide away. When you're first beginning, it's easiest to do this on a flat surface. Once you have your yarn pinned down, go ahead with your left hand and grab the long end that's still attached to your ball or skein of yarn and slowly bring that forward until you have the letter P. You're going to want to make sure that the long tail of your yarn that's still attached to the ball is coming out of the left of your P. If it's coming out in any other direction, your slipknot isn't going to work out quite right, so make sure that everything is facing the correct way. And then holding that intersection down, bring the long end of your yarn underneath the loop of that P so it makes this nice pretzel shape. You should have two tails coming out of your pretzel, one short one, and then of course the long one is still attached to your skein as well. Now you're going to take your crochet hook and slide it underneath the middle loop on the right hand side of your pretzel, pin down your tails and lift up. This makes your slipknot. You can loosen or tighten your slipknot by pulling on the tails. The short tail lengthens it and the long tail will tighten it as you pull it. And this is what your finished slipknot should look like. Of course, practice makes perfect, so I encourage you to simply pull it apart by holding both tails and try it again starting from the beginning. So once again, we're going to start with our yarn in a straight line. With your left hand, bring that long tail down so it forms a P with the end coming out to the left, and bring that long tail under the loop of your P until you have your pretzel with the two long tails. Take your crochet hook and put it under the middle loop on the right hand side. Pin down the tails of your pretzel and lift up your crochet hook and pull. And adjust by tightening or loosening until it is the desired size that you need to begin your crochet chain. And now you're ready to begin your project. Have fun and thanks for watching.